The Voopoo Rex. This was given to us by Voopoo. I wanted to let you know that because we don't have that happen very often, if ever. So, full disclosure before this review, this was given to us for free by Voopoo.
The device as a whole is pretty interesting. It looks kind of cool and it comes in a bunch of different colors. I really like the design of it.
Yeah, the design is actually very simple. It fits in your hand really nice. I was just sitting there the other day with it just chilling in my hand, and I was like, this thing is like perfect size just to like palm.
Exactly. Now, you're talking design is cool, but it takes one 18650 battery, which is kind of a total bummer. You don't get very good battery life on this device because of it. This device is definitely for somebody who wants something small and very portable. It's, not an all-day device, but it definitely is, like, if you have to run some errands and you don't want to take a big box mod with you, this would make a great on-the-go little device for that. Obviously, you can get salt neck devices, but that's a horse of a different color. Now, this thing, it comes as a kit. So it comes with this Uforce tank, and this Uforce tank performs really well. The airflow isn't the widest, but it gives you really good flavor and a good hit, in my opinion.
The Uforce tank can go up to 80 watts, like the coil we've got in it right now. And this actual device can only go up to 80 watts as well. I've been running at about 60, and I'd say the battery life, the way that I chuck, and how often I do it, the battery life is about 3 to 4 hours. The salt neck device will never give you the amount of vapor this will give you, but salt neck devices you can hit 50 nicotine out of and not kill yourself.
But overall, this thing is pretty sweet. The flavor on the tank, it's excellent. And look at that. That's a fat cloud that it can put out. And you know what? Again, it won't last you all day, a few hours, but it's great for on the go.
Yeah, and since as I already said, you can replace the battery. If you don't mind carrying around batteries, then it's going to last you all day. And that's all you really need.
But yeah, so check this out. We got a link for it down below. Voopoo wants to get rid of them, so they got it for a good price. We got that link down below. Check it out. And thanks for watching the video, guys. If you liked what you saw, make sure to smash that subscribe button and drop a like as well.
Yeah, leave us a comment and check out our website if you have any further questions, more detailed questions. You leave us something on the website, we'll get back to you in one day. And that can't be guaranteed in our comments. So
there you go. Do that. So do all that. Check it out. Bing, boom. Peace out.